Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Hema. In this video, we are going to see Science Refresher Course module. We have completed the first 3 lessons. Now we are moving to 4th lesson, Heat. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Evaluation part. Fill in the blanks. The measure of degree of hotness or coldness of the body is called dash. The answer is temperature. Then second one, in a solid, heat is transferred from mainly by the process of dash. Answer is conduction. Third one, if two bodies A and B 50 degrees Celsius come in contact with each other, the heat will flow dash. The answer is C option, nowhere. Fourth one, on touching a lump of ice we feel cold. The heat will flow from dash and to ice. A option. Fifth one, conduction is only possible when the bodies in contact have temperature difference. The answer is A option, true. Choose the correct answer. First one, heat is a form of, answer is C option, thermal energy. Second one, if you apply some heat energy to a substance, which of the following can take place in it? Answer is D option, all the above. Third one, conduction is the way of heat transfer which takes place in dash. The answer is A option, solid. Then fourth one, the SI unit of temperature is D option, Kelvin. Then fifth one, what is the name of the method conduction heat from one molecule to another without the actual movement of molecules? The answer is D option, B and C. Match the following. First one, the answers are 5, 1, 4, 3, 2. For liquid, convection; gas to liquid, condensation; solid to gas, sublimation; vacuum, radiation; solid, conduction. And then answer the following. First one, what are the applications of conduction in our daily life? The answer is, we cook food in vessels made up of metals. When the vessel is heated, heat is transferred from the metal of the food. When we iron dresses, heat is transferred from the iron to the cloth. This is the answer for first one. Then second one, what are the effects of heat? Answer is expansion, increase in temperature, change in state. Then third one, name the types of heat transfer. Answer is 3 types of heat transfer are conduction, convection, radiation. Then fourth one, what is conduction? The process of heat transfer in solids from the region of higher temperature to the region of lower temperature without the actual movement of atoms or molecules is called as conduction. This is the answer for fourth one. Fifth one, write a note on convection. Answer is, the volume of heat transfer from places of high temperature to places of low temperature by the actual movement of molecules is called convection. Then sixth one, explain the working of thermoflax. The answer is, working of thermoflax. The thermoflax has no double walls which are evacuated. It is silvered on the inside. The vacuum between the two walls prevents heat being transferred from the inside to the outside by conduction and convection. With very little air between the walls, there is almost no transfer of heat from the inner wall to the outer wall or vice versa. Conduction can only occur at the points where the two walls meet at the top of the bottle and through an insulated support at the bottom. The silver balls reflect radiated heat back to the liquid in the bottle. This is the answer for sixth one. And we have completed refresher course module for class 9 fourth lesson, fifth lesson, sixth lesson and many more we are going to upload. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.